Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000, with over 300,000 miles on the original 305 Ci V8 engine and 700R automatic transmission. The truck has a white exterior paired with a burgundy interior, and it runs on gasoline. It was previously owned by the seller's father, who was the second owner and used it as his daily driver until his unexpected passing a few years ago. The odometer does not reflect the actual mileage due to a swapped instrument cluster. Despite the high mileage, the truck is in very good condition for its age. It starts, runs, and drives reliably, though it does emit some smoke on startup, likely due to worn piston rings. A fresh oil change and a new set of brakes are also recommended. The interior has received thoughtful updates, including new carpet, new seatbelts, and a newly upholstered seat. It sits on classic 15-inch Craigar wheels and features a Flowmaster 40 series exhaust, adding to its vintage appeal. There is minor rust behind the rear fenders, but the paint remains fairly presentable with some imperfections, particularly areas where the clear coat is beginning to peel. Number 2. 1990 Chevrolet K2500, price $8,500, dependable diesel 4x4 truck with just 54,000 original miles on the odometer. Finished in red with a tan interior, it features a 6.2L diesel engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, and it's equipped with 4-wheel drive and a heavy-duty suspension geared for high performance. The truck was previously owned by a fire station and has been meticulously maintained, showing no rust throughout. It starts, runs, drives, and brakes as it should, even in cold winter conditions, never failing to fire up. Recently, it received a new starter, front brake hoses, fuel filter, and boost pump, ensuring continued reliability. The tires are in excellent shape, and both the brakes and 4WD system function properly. While the truck has some hail damage, and it does not come with air conditioning, the radio was removed prior to the current ownership. Number 3. 1993 GMC Sierra, price $4,500. It features a white exterior paired with a red interior, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. While the truck does have some rust and a few dents, it remains structurally sound and mechanically strong. The exhaust system has developed a few holes due to rust, and the AC, which originally used R12 refrigerant, is currently non-functional, likely due to the truck sitting for a while. It will need a recharge or conversion to R134. Despite these cosmetic and minor functional issues, the interior is in excellent condition, and the black door trim pieces included. Mechanically, the truck is well maintained and comes with many new parts, including a new battery, key cylinder, new tires, a new radio with upgraded speakers, new spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor button, air filter, thermostat, temperature and engine coolant sensor, and a new power steering pump. Importantly, there are no fluid leaks, and the truck runs great. Number 4. 1979 Ford F-150, price $8,900. It features an automatic transmission and is finished in a vibrant orange exterior. Just 2 months ago, it received a fresh paint job in its original factory color. From a distance of about 10 feet, the truck looks fantastic, though up close, some paint imperfections become noticeable. While it's not show quality, the paint is definitely of good driver quality and makes a strong impression on the road. Under the hood, it retains its original 300 cubic inch inline-6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The engine runs strong and reliably, offering plenty of power for daily driving or weekend cruising. The truck is also equipped with functional power steering and brakes that perform as they should, making it a dependable and enjoyable vehicle to drive. Number 5. 1993 GMC 3500, price $6,950, powered by the original 7.4L 454 V8 engine. It has 149,000 miles on the odometer and still performs impressively. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in white and is free of rust, although it does need a fresh coat of paint to bring it back to its full visual appeal. The interior, finished in gray, is in decent condition overall, but the front seats would benefit from being reupholstered. It comes equipped with new LED headlights and signal lights for improved visibility and a modern touch. While the tires will need to be replaced soon, this GMC 3500 remains a solid and capable workhorse, perfect for someone looking for a classic heavy-duty truck with personality. Number 6. 1968 Dodge D100, price $7,500. This truck is a long bed pickup equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. It features a bold blue exterior paired with a clean black interior, offering a classic look with functional style. Under the hood, it houses a powerful 340 cubic inch V8 engine sourced from a 1968 Barracuda, delivering strong performance. The truck is fitted with a positive traction rear end with 3.55 gears, providing excellent grip and drivability. Additional features include a heavy-duty trailer hitch, a set of reliable Michelin tires, and a newly installed steering box. The suspension is notably strong, making the vehicle suitable for hauling or towing. Running on gasoline, this Dodge combines vintage character with practical upgrades for dependable use. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a matching burgundy exterior and interior, giving it a clean, classic look. The truck sits on stylish D-Town smoothie rims with relatively new tires and has been lowered using a flip axle kit and drop shackles, giving it a custom stance. While it could use a new pair of rear shocks, a headliner replacement, and a fresh coat of paint, it remains fully drivable and is currently used daily. Despite signs that the torque converter may be wearing out, the truck still drives reliably and is capable of pulling a 5x8 trailer loaded with a motorcycle or junk removal loads without issue. It holds a clean title and overall presents a solid foundation for someone looking for a dependable daily driver with light cosmetic needs and plenty of potential. Number 8. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, with 241,500 miles on the odometer and features a blue exterior and interior, giving it a cohesive vintage look. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a 305 V8 engine, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable starter truck. Although it's not perfect, the truck runs and drives great, showing its dependable nature despite its age. It has a great patina that adds to its classic charm, and it has been lowered slightly for a more aggressive stance. The truck also sports a set of nice wheels and tires that complement its look. A new AC compressor was recently installed, and the air conditioning blows cold, which is a major plus, especially in warmer climates. Number 9. 1985 Ford F-250, price $3,000. This truck is a strong-running, reliable classic with just 72,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a robust 460 V8 gasoline engine, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It delivers solid performance despite its age. The truck has been parked for a while but still starts right up, showing that it has been well preserved mechanically. It features a brown exterior and retains much of its original character. A half-new fuel pump has been recently installed, and the battery remains in working condition. While the tailgate is missing and the truck shows signs of age, it still functions exceptionally well and is a testament to Ford's durable build quality from that era. Number 10. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, with 224,000 miles on the odometer. It features a bold red exterior matched with a red interior that captures the vintage charm of early 90s Chevy pickups. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong-running 5.7L 350 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and push-button four-wheel drive, making it a capable and dependable workhorse. Inside, the truck retains its original gauges, a classic bench seat, and power windows, all of which are still fully functional. This Chevy starts right up and drives well, making it an ideal candidate for a project build, ranch duties, or simply cruising around an iconic American truck style. The vehicle runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title in hand, ready for its next chapter.